house with me. This is Mother Rim. Close it. Close it. My outside rim. Comfy rim, actually. Very comfy. The bathroom. The shower turn and go on. And the bath, I don't know, I got in. I need to ask more stuff, but yeah, I'll make more videos when I finish. And I also need to add stuff. My computer turned and gone. Accidentally moved to that. I'm in the chat. Open it. This is the one I made earlier. And that's the guy. I don't know if you folding it. Another one, it's empty. I also need to fill my digital drink I'm gonna be using when I make more videos. This is where, I don't know why I added these, but it's just curtains for business. And this is the storage room. So where, cause these stuff are only available for a week. The stuff that I added in here, so I need to keep going. I don't know, I just kept trying when you click on it. But gonna keep doing stuff, sir. Yeah. Now we're going downstairs. Well, not yet. Now we're going downstairs. Number one. You gotta wait. Okay, now we're coming back. Okay. I was distracted while I was watching. What's good? Heartbreak High. Okay, then I remembered us recording. Let's go as I meant to start from here, cause I didn't get it. Yeah, the interest. I didn't get it recalled cause while I was watching, I couldn't. So now I have to redo it. The kitchen. My Jones. Kept putting in the coffee, so I only had 17. But now I needed to put her in the beyond. I was gonna put her up there. Then I realized about the bin, so I started putting them all in the bin. I accidentally opened it, put it on without putting it all in the bin. I'm gonna show you guys about the yacht soon. So bright. I think my sister's here. Now let's continue. I jumped one because I went into coffee. I did it. Get that out the way. So then this is a living room. Of course you love it, baddies. And this is the backyard final bit. The backyard. And I don't know why. Duncan, Laura, and James. And added it here. The sunset. And yeah. I'm looking over it. Bye, Pookie.